Nurturing your well-being is similar to tending a flourishing garden. It requires mindful care, patience, and the gentle touch of self-compassion. Just as each bloom adds vibrancy to your garden, each positive thought and act of self-love enriches the tapestry of your life. Happiness, much like a radiant sunrise, paints the canvas of life with warmth and beauty. It resides in the simplicity of shared laughter, the embrace of loved ones, and the moments that capture the essence of pure joy. It is a treasure that, when found within, illuminates the path to a fulfilling existence. Success is not an endpoint, but a dynamic journey marked by determination, persistence, and self-discovery. Much like an artist, you craft the masterpiece of your success through the strokes of dedication, vision, and unwavering commitment to your dreams. Love is the universal language that transcends boundaries and unites hearts across the ocean of differences. It is the nourishment of the soul, the melody of compassion, and the force that binds humanity in an ever-widening circle of care and empathy. Your well-being is a precious jewel that requires constant polishing. Just as a gem sparkles with brilliance when cared for, your inner radiance shines when nurtured through self-love, gratitude, and a zest for life's beauty.